I'm Chitrali and welcome back to my GKS series. So, you all must be confused about if you're eligible or not for GKS scholarship. So, let me break it down in simple for you all. So, let's begin with the first point, age. So, if you want to apply for undergraduate, your age must be under 25 years. And if you want to apply for masters, postgraduate or research program, your age must be under 40. So for undergrad, your age must be under 25 and masters, postgraduate and research program, your age must be 40 years. Okay, so the second point is nationality. So GKS is provided to 146 countries all over the world and you need to be citizen of one of them. So the country list is mentioned in the GKS guideline. You can check it on the Study in Korea website. The third point is GKS criteria. It is very important point because बहुत लोगों ने मुझे पूछा था कि दी अगर हमारे 60% मार्क्स है या फिर हमारे 70% मार्क्स है तो हम एलिजिबल है कि नहीं. So let me explain you that there are two criteria. So the first criteria is your percentage should be 80% or above. And if you don't fulfill this criteria, then the second criteria is that you need to be in top 20% of your class. Again, पहला क्राइटेरिया है कि आपके परसेंटेज 80% और अबव होने चाहिए और अगर आप ये क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल नहीं करते हो तो द सेकेंड क्राइटेरिया है कि आपको आपकी क्लास में से 20% लोगों में से होने चाहिए. सो टू प्रूव दैट यू आर इन 20% in your class, you have to provide a document from your university or college. And also one more important point, I wanted to tell you guys that if your mark sheet or your degree certificate is not in one of these GPA scale, you have to convert it into the GPA scale that is accepted as per the GKS guideline. So you make sure that you follow the GKS guidelines. So that's it for my today's video. And if you have any queries regarding the eligibility criteria, do mention in the comment section. Also, my next video is gonna be about the documents you need for GKS. So make sure you follow me and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Till then, see you in Korea. Bye bye.